Hello, good morning. Good morning, guys. How are you today? Kumusta ang araw nyo? Kumusta ang morning nyo? How was your day? Let's have a coffee, guys. Bread. I hope you had a good day. Kain tayo, guys. Ayan, masarap, sarap talagang isaw-saw sa ano. So, yun lang, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for watching my videos, guys. To all my maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga supporters ko dyan. Thank you so much. Have a blessed day. And God bless us. Keep safe. Enjoy coffee. Thank you so much. See you in next. Bye.